Hello, it's Mrs.Z. It's a word problem. It's a grade 5 mission 2, lesson 11. All right. So let's see what is this. Mr. Moore wants to build a rectangular patio using concrete tiles that are 12 square inches. 12 square inches. The patio will measure 13 and a half feet by 43 feet. What is the area of patio? What is the area of patio? Okay, so thinking of this, it's a rectangular patio. So I'll like my other door better. So I'm going to make parallel to edge. All right. And then okay. So this is a patio. This patio will measure 13 by 43 feet. So that 43 feet would be the length, and then width I will put that is 13 and a half. So the first thing we need to find what is area of patio. What is area of patio? Area means how many square feet it will be. It will be the whole patio. The thing is that area is question. So area is length times width, and area is long side is 43 feet times short side width is 13 and 5 feet. Okay, so area equals you can do this as 13 times 43, and what is a half of 43 as well, if you do this thinking logically. If you are using a standard algorithm, you can think also to be this 13 and 5/10. So it could be 135 tenths. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply by 43, and I will use standard multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. Remember 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I remember 1 again. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. I'm done. What is 3 times 135? Now I'm adding 0 for the ones, and I'm moving to the tens. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20. So 0, I remember 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 2 is 14. 4, I remember 1. And 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I add those together, and the okay, so the values, the digits are 5, 0, 8, and 5, but they are tenths. So that many tenths. So in answer, I need to say the tenths. So I need to show the tenths. So my answer would be 580 and whole feet and 5/10. So the area is 580 and 5/10 square feet. So this is how many square will cover this. Imagine these are the squares that will, or tiles, they will cover this area. Okay, so that's what we need. But these are feet squared, and then they say the tiles are 12 square inches. So what that means is 12 square inches. So that the area, each square is 12 square inches. So that means 12 inches is 1 square. So when you know what is a 12 square inches, it's really 1 foot squared. So when you think about this, these are already 12 inches is the same as 1 square foot. So 1 square foot. So that is the same. So when they say 12 square inches, it means 1 feet squared. So in here, you should have 580 whole tiles, and then he will need half a tile. So he cannot buy half a tile. So that means that he approximately need 581 tile for his patio. So that's logic. How many concrete tiles will he need to complete patio? So concrete tiles to complete the patio, and then we can now answer the question. Ready? Okay, so how many concrete tiles he will need? About 581 concrete tiles to complete the patio. Okay, so that is the problem. That is lesson 11. Word problem. We use strategy. We read the problem. We draw a picture, and then we write, read, draw, and write, and we got our answer. All right. That is so. If you are still confused about this, you can just think about this is a square, correct? So if you say 12 inches and 12 inches, that means this is a foot. So you need, this is 1 foot times 1 foot, which is 1 feet 1 feet squared. Oops, 1 feet squared. So 12 by 12 is same as 1 foot by 1 foot, which will be 1 foot squared. So that means if I have 580.5 feet squared, then I will need that many tiles. Okay, guys, I hope that makes more sense. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.